How about, is anybody hungry for, let me get the name straight, air fryer grits-crusted fried shrimp. I wanted to get the name perfectly right, so if you wanted to look it up, you could find it. So we've got some beautiful large shrimp. We have got a cup of buttermilk. And those of you that fry things at home, which fried foods taste so good, but they make a big mess and grease gets all over the kitchen. All right, now I've got a cup of buttermilk, about a teaspoon of a spicy mustard, about a teaspoon of my hot sauce, and I'm just gonna mix all this together real good. And we're gonna use this to wet our shrimp with. And in this bowl, we're gonna add our flour and our grits. Have y'all ever had fried grits, grit cakes? Oh, it's so good. All right, so I'm just gonna toss that. Now the recipe tells you to dip in the buttermilk and then into the grit and flour mixture. But I like to kind of dust mine with flour. Just makes a little, you know, it just makes the crust stick on it good. All right, so there we go. Now, if you're afraid of having too much crust, just go bonk, bonk, instead of bonk, bonk, bonk. And you definitely want to use shrimp with tails on. And you want to let the excess drip off. And it's probably going to take about 10 minutes for this to cook. And it's not going to be nearly the mess. The mess is going to be on my counter, but I can wipe that up. I can clean that up real quick. There we go. Looking good. That grit is going to give them a little extra bite on the crust. I don't want to pack these up, y'all, in the air fryer. So I just want to make sure I do a single layer, and I'm going to spray them, and that will help them get real crusty. And they'll probably take about 10 minutes. I'm about empty in this can. It'll take about 10 minutes. So I'm going to want to turn these when they're halfway done. And if you're using a liner, you want to make sure that you put a shrimp in each corner, because that paper can break away and get sucked up in the top. Oops, and you'll have a fire. So be careful. And like I said, you don't want to pile these up. You want them to have plenty of room for them to get nice and brown all over. That was a perfect number that I did. So you can see how they are not crammed in there together. We got it at 375. And right now it's on 5 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it there, And when the bell dings, I'll flip them over and spray the other side for 5 more minutes. They're looking good. All right, because the air fryer cooks a little faster in the front, I'm just moving my paper around. And I'll put the ones that look like they need cooking more, I'll get them up front. All right, another quick spray on the other side. And I turned my air fryer up to 430, y'all. Because I have found out over the years, since I first came out with this machine, that 430 works real good for something that you want fried. All right, they're ready. I'm just gonna sprinkle them with a little salt. Oops, where is my...
Right here.
Where'd I put it? Thank you. That aluminum thing laying right there that'd have bit me if it had been a snake. All right, so you can just cook them to the brownness that you like. And my Aunt Peggy, her tastes are changing so quickly on me. About the only thing she'll eat now is shrimp or crab. So I'm taking these for her dinner. And hopefully she will receive it well tonight. Who knows? I said, you change so quickly on me. I'm gonna let that one brown another little second. And you know what? I'm gonna need one more to keep it balanced, or my paper will fly up and burn. Okay, so here we go. And she likes her cocktail sauce and she likes her lemon. So there you go. And you know what? If she likes those tonight, she'll eat every one of those. She'll eat every one of them.
That's good.
So loving best dishes to Aunt Peggy.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.